Hi there, my name is Denise Connolly and I am the creator of My Gratitude House, the first product to be launched by my company Little Lion Heart, which is a company that creates products that contribute towards positive mental health and well-being in children. I'm a senior occupational therapist with a background working in the area of mental health, and I'm also mum to a 3-year-old girl. And for me, helping her to develop positive self-care rituals and routines from an early age is of utmost importance.
The activity board demonstrates an illustration of a house with 4 cutouts for the windows. There are 12 corresponding pieces from which the child can choose 4 from a lucky dip bag to fill in the windows and complete the picture. Each piece has a picture of a child with a corresponding gratitude prompt question on the back. The adult can encourage or assist the child to read the question and then help them reflect on their day and give an answer. For example, who did you enjoy spending time with today? Or who was kind to you today? The adult then encourages the child to acknowledge thanks for the aspect that they have chosen. This activity is best done on a daily basis as part of the evening or bedtime routine, where the child can reflect on their day and learn the principles of gratitude.
The practice of gratitude has long been associated with increased levels of happiness and better satisfaction for life, and this has been seen not only in studies conducted with adults but also those conducted with children. Cultivating gratitude means setting aside some time each day to recognise and appreciate what it is that is good in your life and what you give thanks for. And these are things that we may typically take for granted. Often adults use gratitude diaries to do this, but I've found that children need some more prompting to reflect on their day. And that's where the idea of My Gratitude House was born. It's an activity that can be done in bedtime routine or sitting around the dinner table with family members, and it can be done in a fun, play-type manner.